Hey guys, it's Giggle Pops here. I'm super excited as today we're checking out this beautiful Elsa styling head from Disney Frozen. Wow, look at her beautiful big blue eyes. She's so pretty. And we get all sorts of accessories with this set. There's so many. Then on the back, there's some different hairstyles that we can try out, like a bun, half up, half down, a beautiful plait, and look, even this curly hair. So let's get it open and start styling. Okay, so let's get rid of all this cardboard first. And here she is. Beautiful Elsa. So we get a brush. This lovely love heart brush. And some hair twist. If I can pick them up. So we can curl her hair using these. Then we get some hair bubbles to tie her hair back. And finally we get some clips. So we get these love heart blue clips as well as this crown love heart clips. So we'll just clip them into her hair. Okay. So, I'm wondering what hairstyle I'm going to give Elsa. I think first we need to take her hair down and take her tiara off. And then we'll brush her hair and I think we'll maybe put a ponytail in first. Oh, it's clipped in, so I'm going to have to cut this out of her hair first. Okay. Let's take out her plait. Which is in really tight, and unplait her hair. Oh, look how wavy that's gone. And give it a good brush. Gosh, that's done so wavy. Looks amazing. Look, there's also a fringe here. So we can put that on the side if we want to. She wants a fringe for the day. One of these clips in her hair. If I can actually open it. Okay, so let's just clip the hair into the front section here. That's pretty. And now I think we'll give her a ponytail. Let's use a pink bubble. In fact, it's quite tight, so let's use this one to get all the hair together. Go. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a bun in her hair now. And now let's give her a little bun. So we'll brush her hair, brush, 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 and then will swirl it around. There we go. Then we just need to clip it into place. There we go. I'm gonna play some more now with Frozen Elsa doll, but join us tomorrow for more fun and adventures with Giggle Pops!